Brand new whip. Let's see what the producer's up to. Hey, what's good?
What's up, Dirk?
You got any new beats for me?
Yeah, check this out. My name is Nelson Frederick, and I make beats for Dirk, but lately he's been kind of getting on my nerve a little bit.
Bro, this is trash.
Yo, what are you talking about? Bro, well, let's just say he slaps me around a little bit, and I'm fed up with this, so next time, I'm gonna come prepared. I've got the silencer too, so that my ops don't hear me coming.
I'm gonna cook something good for y'all. Ready? You ain't never heard this.
Yeah, my name Dirk. I'm the best rapper. I stay sticky, like a little gum wrapper.
Alright, bro, I think that's enough time in the studio. I'll catch you later.
Thomas, I need to talk to you.
For the last time, Mom, it's Dirk.
Okay, so, Dirk, where did you get that name from?
You got it from the heart.
Dirk, this whole rapping thing is not happening.
Mom, this is my passion.
No. Thomas, this is not going anywhere.
Oh my god!
This is not your future.
Oh.
How many times do I have to tell you? This is not your path.
This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do with my
Go
life.
to your room. I've had enough.
So, your parents, family, and friends, like, how do they react to this career of yours?
Bro, they've been my ops since day one.
So, what does it mean to you to be part of this slime mob?
Like, we go out and trap, finesse, mob. You know what I'm saying, bro? Mob. Yeah, it's lit.
Oh my god, bro. I can't believe my mom, bro. Oh my god. Bro, stop filming me, bro.
I'm the elder of rap.
Elder of rap?
I'm going to save your rap career. You need to take my hand.
Alright, we just finished our latest single. It's out on SoundCloud now. You better check it out.
Yo, Dirk?
Oh,
Is that you? Dude, I just heard you hit 50 mil on SoundCloud.
I did.
That's crazy, bro. Congrats.
We up.
Dude, he's up.